Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel. And trust me, what you're about to see will blow your mind. I gave Chatgpt 4.0, DeepSeek, and Alibaba's brand new Qwen 2.5 Max the exact same brain twister of a math problem. The results? Absolutely shocking. I was genuinely surprised. And I guarantee you will be too. After watching this, you might just change your preference and start relying on one of these models for math reasoning. So, which AI is the ultimate problem solver? And which one failed in reasoning for this math trick? Let's find out. Stick around because nobody saw this coming. Before testing this quiz with AI models, it's important to solve it ourselves and understand the correct answer to this math trick. So, can you try solving this puzzle on your own? Share your answer in the comments below. We'd love to see your approach. Now, here's the key to solving questions like this. The goal is to find a consistent rule or pattern that works for all the given examples. Once you've identified the rule, you can use it to solve the unknown case. One important thing to remember, there could be more than one logical system or pattern that fits the examples. As long as your rule works for all the provided cases, it's considered valid. Let me try solving this myself. I noticed that in the sequence, the first digit of the result is always the same as the second number in the pair. For example, if the second number is 3, the first digit of the answer would also be 3. The second digit of the result is simply the sum of the two numbers. For instance, if the numbers are 3 and 4, their sum is 7. Putting it together, the first digit is 3 from the second number. The second digit is 7, the sum of 3 and 4. So, the final answer would be 37. Testing the AI models? Now, let's put this exact question to 3 different AI models and see how they solve the problem. This will help us evaluate their reasoning abilities and decide which model stands out as the best choice for the future. First, I've opened these 3 models in separate tabs. This is Chatgpt 4.0, this one is DeepSeek, and here we have Alibaba's brand new Qwen 2.5 Max. Let's start by asking the math question to Chatgpt 4.0 first. According to Chatgpt, the final answer is 43. But is this correct? Let's see how it arrived at this answer. Unfortunately, Chatgpt failed to establish a consistent pattern that satisfies all the given examples. Its reasoning doesn't align with the logic of the problem, and as a result, it completely missed the mark. Conclusion: Chatgpt failed to solve this reasoning question. Now, let's try the same quiz with DeepSeek. According to DeepSeek, the final answer is 37. That's impressive. Let's break down how it reached this solution. The second digit of the result is the sum of the two numbers. For example, 3 plus 4 equals 7. The first digit is derived by taking the second number and multiplying it by 10, essentially using it as the leading digit. This approach works perfectly for all the examples provided. It's creative, logical, and effective. Conclusion: DeepSeek passed with flying colors, showcasing excellent reasoning and pattern detection. Finally, let's test Alibaba's latest model, Qwen 2.5 Max. According to Qwen, the final answer is 47. Is this correct? Let's analyze its reasoning. Qwen identified a solid pattern. The second digit of the result is the sum of the two numbers, just like DeepSeek. For example, 4 plus 3 equals 7. The first digit is simply the larger of the two input numbers. This method also works flawlessly for all the examples. It's straightforward, consistent, and highly effective. Conclusion: Qwen 2.5. Max passed the test with an amazing pattern and strong reasoning. From this math trick, we can conclude that Chatgpt completely failed to detect the correct pattern. Both DeepSeek and Qwen 2.5 Max excelled, offering creative and accurate solutions. Each model demonstrated unique reasoning, but ultimately, they proved their ability to solve complex puzzles effectively. By the way, I have another brand new quiz video coming up soon. I'll share the link in the comments. Trust me, you'll be surprised. If you enjoyed this quiz or have any thoughts, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content.